friends, today I will teach you how to make a flower of a flag colors. Come on, first I had cut all the colors of orange, white and green. And let's start. First we have to fold this like this and like this. And same with the others. Like this. Then you have to keep all the three like this, and remember you have to keep the circle part down, and then you have to keep all the three, and you have to take a stapler and do it like this, and then we have to put two fingers in, and you have to open the other one also, and you have to do like this, and you have to put a staple. Look. And you have to do same with the other ones. And it's ready. And then you have to spread the feathers like this, and put a stapler. Then you have to put a stapler pin, and it is done. If you like the video, you have to like and share.